Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are starting um, to learn ayat number 52 of Surah An-Nisa and onwards. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم أولئك الذين لعنهم الله. U for Dhamma, circle ellipse. And you're making this short because can you see this circle on wow? It means we are not pronouncing this wow. If you see any circle on any letter, we will not pronounce it. You feel like it's not there. So Hamza Dhamma U. It's very short sound. U La 4 counts long. Mad Muttasil Wajib. La I for kasra give E sound. Kal kaf is light for fatha open yours as that with lam will get step up the wasud. Kal but fatha is short. La the 2 counts long. Na short. La short and light. Ain from your throat for fatha upon your jaws. The sound is short. Na short. All three should have same length. La na. Ru for the circle lips. Mu keep meme light, but lafz jalala heavy because you can see them before it. Mu uh, because of what you're giving temporary sukoon. This temporary sukoon in ha has changed this 2 counts long vowel into 4 counts. And this is called madaratless sukoon. For wow, circle your lips, fatha open your jaws. May, this is idgham with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. May, el, yeah, it's very soft letter. For fatha open your jaws, attach with lam will get zip up. The wasut, ain from your throat. For fatha open your jaws. Nil, for kasra give E sound. Don't drop this E sound even you're attaching with the coming up letter. Nil, and lafz jalala will be light because you can see kasra before it. Nila, and it is always 2 counts long. Lafz jalala is always 2 counts long. La hu for the circle ellipse, the sound is short. Fa, give hams in fa for fatha on your jaws, the sound is very short. La, this is ikhfa. So this ikhfa is light because ta is among the light letters. So you're keeping this your tongue straight to make it light. La ta. Ta is very sharp sound. No flow of sound is there. For fatha open jaws. Ji for kasra give e sound. Da very sharp sound. No flow of sound whatsoever. For fatha open your jaws. The sound is short. La short. Hu. Who 2 counts long for the circle ellipse. Na short sound. Sli slot is heavy and make it 2 counts long. Ra mad awad, so make it 2 counts long. أولئك الذين لعنهم الله and give رخاء on her. ومن يلعن الله فلن تجد له نصيرا. Hamza is very sharp. For fatha open your jaws. Attach with meme. You will get sifaf tawassut. La short. Hum for the circle lips. Attach with meme. You will get sifaf tawassut. Na noon is short and the sound is short. Sli, slot is heavy, make it 2 counts long. Boom, idgham with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Boom, mi, for kasra give E sound, and the sound is short. Nal, for fatha open your jaws, and then attach it. Lam will get sif after. So, nal, mul, for the circle lips, attach it. Lam will get sif after. So, ki, for kasra give E sound. The sound is light and short. F, give hams for fatha open your jaws. The sound is short. E for kasra give E sound, very sharp sound. Then open your jaws for fathan, then attach with lam will get sif of the husut. Then and then it is 2 counts long. La you For Dhamma, circular lips attached with Hamza. Hamza will get Shidda, Sif of Shidda. So the sound will cut off very sharply. You. Two. For the circular lips, make it 2 counts long. Nan, open your jaws and then attach it. Noon, noon will get sifa of gunna. This is akmal gunna, so give very nice time here. Nan, and then it is 2 counts long. Na, sa, very short sound. Na, short and light. Qi, qaf is heavy, make it 2 counts long. Ra, mad so make it 2 counts long. أم لهم نصيب من الملك فإذا لا يؤتون الناس نقيرا. Hamza is very sharp of a top and jaws attached with meme will get sifa of tawassut. Yeah. Yeah, it's very soft for fatha open jaws attached with ha. Ha will get ha is from your middle part of your throat and make it give raqawa. Yeah, su for the circle your lips. Do circle your lips and make it 2 counts long. Nan open your jaws and then attach it. Noon will get sipa off. Gunna and this is akmal gunna. Nan, and then make it 2 counts long. Na, sa. Sa is very short. Ain from your throat, the sound is short. La, 2 counts long. Ma, 4 counts long. This is munfasil jaiz. Ma, Hamza is very sharp. And then there is alif. Alif is from your throat. So those two sounds should be very clearly heard. Ta, ta is very sharp sound and make it 2 counts long. Who for the circular lips. Mu, keep neem light, but lafz jalala will be heavy because of dhamma before it. Mu, and make it 2 counts long. Who for the circular lips. Mya, for the e sound. And then ikhfa, this ikhfa is light, so keep your tongue straight, but your upper two teeth should be ready to say fa, so they will get position in this ikhfa. For fatha open jaws and then attach it. Dot will get a sifa of istitada and it's heavy and it has rukhawa. So fel So give time here. And then li. Give E sound and then attach with ha. Ha will get sifa of raqawa. Li. Fa. Give hams in fa for fatha open jaws. Or the qaf is heavy. Lift your last part of your tongue towards your palate for fatha open your jaws. Attach it. Dal. Dal will be light. Because of qaf, don't make dal heavy. Or the. And give qalqala on dal. 2 counts long, sharp sound of Hamza. Tay, 2 counts long because this is lean. Na, 4 counts long. Mad munfasil jaiz. Hamza is very sharp, make it 2 counts long. La, short. Ib, Hamza is very sharp, attach it with ba. And ba will get qalqala and ba will be light. Ib. Ra, 2 counts long and make it heavy because whenever ra is with fatha or dhamma, it is always heavy. And heavy ra sounds like ra, ib, ra, he, 2 counts long. Mal for fatha open jaws attached with lam, lam will get sifa of tawassut. Malki for kasra give e sound. Ta, 2 counts long. Ba, short. Well, for wow circular lips, so fatha open jaws attached with lam, lam will get sifa of tawassut. Well, hik, have from your throat. For kasra give e sound attached with kaf. Kaf will get hums here. Definitely. Hik, ma is short. Ta, short. Wa for wow circular lips, fatha open jaws. 2 counts long. Tai. Ta is very sharp. No flow of sound is there. Fatha, open your jaws, attach it. Ya. Lean. Make it 2 counts long. And make it soft. Tai. Na. The way. Tai will belong. Na will belong to. The length should be straight. Same. The reasons are different to make it long. And the styles are different. But the length should be same. Tai. Na. Hum for the circle ellipse. This is Gam Shafawi. So this is Gam will get Gunna and this is Akmal Gunna. So give a nice Gunna sound here. Hum Mul for the circle ellipse attached with Lam. Lam will get Sifa of the Wasud. Can Sifa is the Wasud, but the ruling is with her. Can Kaf is light. Ain from your throat. Dha is heavy and make it 2 counts long. Ma. I would make it 2 counts long. Am yahsudu. Am yahsuduna الناس على ما sorry, على ما آتاهم الله من فضله فقد آتينا آل إبراهيم الكتاب والحكمة وآتيناهم ملكا عظيما. From your it has hums. Whenever you look at fa, you're giving hums, and hums is a flow of breath. Fa, but fatha will be very short. Fa, mean for kasra, give e sound, then attach with noon. Sifa is ilkhar, but ruling is izhar, but sifa is tawassut. Min, hum, idgham shafwi, give good time for gunna. Hum, man for fatha, open your jaws, then attach it noon, and this is idhar. Sifa is idhar, but the ruling is idhar, and sifa is tawassut. Man, this is 2 counts long. Ma, short. Na, short. B for kasra, give e sound. He, 2 counts long. Wa for wow, circle your lips. So fatha, open jaws. Mean, give e sound and then attach it noon. Now, sifa is idhar and ruling is subhanallah. Ruling is idhar and sifa is tawassut. Mean, give this flow of sound here because of tawassut. Min, hum, idgham shafwi, give a nice time in for gunna. Hum, man. This ikhfa is heavy because sad is among heavy letters. So your last part of your tongue should be lifted up to create this ikhfa. Ma, sad. For sad, give safir, for fatha, open jaws, and then attach it. Dal. Dal is very sharp, no flow of sound whatsoever. Sad. Feel how it stops. Sad. Sad. An. Ain from your throat for fatha, open jaws. Sifa is tawassut and ruling is idhar here, and then you're going to give rakhawa on this ha. This tap is little difficult, but practice can make it easy. An, till noon, you are changing nothing. It has idhar, so give idhar, give tawassut. an, and then ha will have رقابة only. An. و for wow circular. So fatha open your jaws. Ka, kaf is light. For fatha open your jaws. The sound is short. Fa, give hums and then make it 2 counts long. B for kasra, give E sound. J for fatha open your jaws. Han, half from your throat. Last part of your throat. Attach with noon. Noon will get sifa of gunna. This gunna is akmal. So give nice time for gunna here. Han, fatha is very short. Na, short. Ma, short. Seen from your no, seen as Safir, Fafta open your jaws. The sound is very short. This will travel and this will flow, but Fatha will be very, very short. Ain from your throat, make it 2 counts long. I will make it 2 counts long. Mad badal. This is mad badal. Mad badal, you are making it 2 counts long. فمنهم من آمن به ومنهم من صد عنه وكفى بجهنم سعيرا إن الذين Hamza is very sharp for attached with noon. Noon will get sifa of one now. In and then attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of the wasut. Nal, but fatha is very short. La, b 2 counts long. Na, short. Ka, kaf is light for fatha open jaws without hums. Ka, fa. Here you are giving hums for fatha open jaws. The sound is very short. Fa, uru. For Dhamma, circle your lips, make ra heavy. B for Kasra, give E sound. Hamza is very sharp, make it 2 counts long. Yeah, very soft sound, make it 2 counts long. T for Kasra, give E sound, very sharp sound. Na, 2 counts long. So, this whistle sound is first, but as you will touch Fatha, Fatha is short. So, make it 2 counts long. It's lean. So, hams, and then it will be completed with fatha, but fatha will be short. Nus for the circle lips attaches sod. Sod will get rahawa. It is heavy and it has safir. Nus, the sound will not stop. Li, 2 counts long. Him, focus, kasra, give E sound attached with meme, you will get sifa of the wasud. Him, na, 2 counts long. Wrong. Ikhfa, and this ikhfa is like you are about to say ink. Wrong. Kul. For the masakul lips attached with lam, lam will get sifa of the wasud. Kul. La. Fatha is very short. Ma, 2 counts long. Na, very short. Light and short sound. For fatha open jaws. Na, li. Dot is heavy. For kasra, give E sound. The sound is very short with kasra. Jet. For fatha open your jaws. Attach ta. Ta will get hums. Hums is a flow of breath. Jet. Ju for the circle lips. Lu, 2 counts long for the circle lips. Du for the circle lips. The sound is very short. Hum for the circle lips. This is by Shafawi. So you're giving gunna too. Hum, but for fatha open your jaws attached dal. Very sharp sound. Ba has sharp sound. Dal has sharp sound. Sharp sound means there is no flow of sound whatsoever. But then, give the wasut here. Del, na, two comes long. Hum for the circle ellipse attached. Meme will get sip of the wasud. Ju for the circle ellipse. Lu, two comes long. Then, ruling is idhar and sipa is the wasud. Then, Ghoin is heavy for fatha open jaws attached. Yeah, it is two counts long because this is lean. So keep it soft. Oi, ra is heavy for fatha open jaws. The sound is short. Ha, two counts long. Li for kasra give e sound. Yeah, very soft sound for fatha open jaws. The sound is short. Li, yeah. Do, two counts long for the circle ellipse. Ul, it is not anymore long because this qaf is attached with lam, and lam will get the tawassut. Ul, qaf is heavy, but lam is light. Ul, ayn from your throat. The, because of waqf, you gave temporary sukoon on ba. This temporary sukoon has changed this two counts long vowel into four, and this is called mad. So, مدعرة للسكون. This is called مدعرة للسكون. ليذوقوا العذاب. In Hamza is very sharp for kasra. Give E sound, then attach it. Noon, and noon will get gone now. Inna Allah. Lafz Jalala will be heavy because there is fatha before it. Nallah. Two counts long. Ha, short. Ka, two counts long. Na, short. Ayn from your throat. Z, two counts long. Give buzzing sound on za. Z, zen. Ruling is ibhar and sifa is tawassut. So give tawassut here too. Zen, ha from your throat. Puff open your jaws. Ki, two counts long. Ma, two counts long. Azizan Hakima. إن الذين كفروا بآياتنا سوف نصليهم نارا كلما نضجت جلودهم بدلناهم جلودا غيرها ليذوقوا العذاب إن الله كان عزيزا حكيما والذين هو circle ellipse فتح open jaws attached lam will get صفة التوسط فتح open your jaws the sound is short لا the two counts long na short Hamza is very sharp make it two counts long ma short no for the circle ellipse make it two counts long wow circle ellipse for fatha open jaws ayn from your throat middle part of your throat for fatha open your jaws the sound is short me for kasra give e sound lu it is not anymore long because this lam is attached with sod will get sifa of rahawa and safir and it is heavy lus so the sound should not stop lus and then it is two counts long so li for kasra give e sound ha from middle part of your throat make it two counts long t for kasra give e sound s give safi in seen and for fatha open your jaws s this sound should be first and then you are completing it with fatha nude for the circle ellipse attached dal will get qalqala nude khi for kasra give e sound lu for the circle is for the circle ellipse attached with lam will get sifa of tawassut Jan, Jim should be from your middle part of your tongue when it is touching and it is sealing your upper palate with your tongue. So, Jan, give gunna on Jim. This is Akmal gunna. Jan, and then it is two counts long. Na, tin. This ikhfa is light, so keep your tongue straight. Tin, taji. Ta is very sharp. No flow of sound for fatha open jaws, and then attach a jim. Jim will get qalqala. Taji. There shouldn't be any ch sound in jim. Taji, iri. Two counts long, and ra is very light. Meh, this ikhfa is light, so keep your tongue straight. Meh, tah. Ta is very sharp. For top and jaws attached with ha. Ha will get sifa of rakhawa, and it is from your throat, middle part of your throat. Tah, ti. For kasra give e sound, no flow of sound in ta. Hal, this is not anymore long because this is attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Hal, an. Hamza is very sharp. For top and jaws attached with noon. Noon will get sifa of tawassut. An, ha. Two counts long. Oru. Oru, ro is heavy for the circular lips. Ho, two counts long. Li, for kasra give e sound. Di, two counts long. Na, short. Fi, give hums in fa, make it two counts long. Ha, four counts long. Mad, munfasil jaiz. A, hamza is very sharp. Ba, short. Da, mad, awad. So make it two counts long. Abada. La, short. Hum, for the muscle lips attached with meme will get sip of the wasud. Fi, two counts long. Ha, four counts long. Mad, munfasil jais. As Hamza is very sharp, of a top and jaws attached with za. Za will get rakhawa and safi, and it is light. As, so there should be a flow of sound which should be hearable. As, wa, wow circles make it two counts long. Jum, idgham bitghunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Jummu, for the circle lip and lips. Qah, for ta is heavy, for fatha open jaws attached with ha. Ha will get rakhawa. Qah, and then fatha is very short. Ha, ra. Ra is heavy, and ha will get rakhawa. When we stop on circle ta, we change it into ha, and this ha will get sifa of rakhawa when we will stop on here and give sakun. Ra. Wa, for wow circle lips, for fatha open jaw. Nude, for dhamma circle lips attached with dal. Dal gets sifa of qalqala. As you will touch dal, your lips should be in a straight position. Nude. Khi, kha is heavy for kasra give e sound. Lu, for the circle lips. Hum, for the circle lips attached with meme, will get sifa of the wasud. Will, for kasra give e sound attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of the wasud. Will, long. This ikhfa is heavy, so last part of each tongue should be lifted up to create this ikhfa. Long. Wa, is heavy. Li, two counts long. La, mad. Well, you're exchanging the sound of noon into mad letter. That's why it is called. والذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات سندخلهم جنات تجري من تحتها الأنهار خالدين فيها أبدا لهم فيها أزواج مطهرة وندخلهم ظلا ظليلا. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.